Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku Basel on March 9, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 136. Column C and 5th grade. We have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I and column J, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 9. 8th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 9. 3rd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row we have 1. Column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B and column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row and column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 4. Column G also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F and column G, we have 4. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 5, 8, 9. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. column E and column G we have 1, 8th row also we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 1, 8th row and 10th row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 3, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 4 numbers remaining, 2, 3, 6, 7, in column D and 7th grade we have 2 and 6 and 3, the 3 number can't come this cell, it will come in one of the cells, then only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 8th row and column E we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, 10th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, column B we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 9th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, 2nd row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 2, 2nd row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers remaining, 2 and 3, column F we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, column G we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, column F we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, column G we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F and column G we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column E and column G we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.